So, I mean, we've had terrific support.
And it's something that we just don't get from other vendors. It's fantastic.
You know, real quick turnaround.
They've always been very responsive and very quick at getting back to us. They've always been available.
It's the best that I've seen.
We know exactly what's going on. You don't try and hide anything from us. It's brilliant.
The support team is excellent. I mean, we value partnership that we have with Echo360.
One thing I've found over the years is that any pain points raised or wish list items that are discussed at the conference are listened to, and Echo360 makes those changes.
Echo360 as a vendor, in my opinion, they're market leaders. They've got other competitors out there. They do not have the capabilities of functionality that the Echo360 ALP platform does.
They're extremely responsive to support tickets. If they can't fix the problem on the spot, they will let you know that they're looking into it, and you've always got a constant status about what's happening. So you're never left in the dark.
They're responsive. They really do want to hear what's going on and really want to ensure that the changes or the disruptions are to a minimal. And I have found them very responsive.
They don't actually treat you as a client. It's more, like I said, it's a small, close-knit community, and they value our feedback, and they'll do whatever it takes really to basically answer and support us in every single way.